Let's adjust the rear fender here. Good. Check the digital model. Updated. How's the airflow now? Looks balanced. Let's smooth out the front fender. Okay. Checking the rear alignment. Looks good. Check the side profile. Will do. Okay, slide it in smoothly. Got it. A little more. Perfect. Ready to close? Closing now. Unit's clear. Moving to paint. Copy. Track looks good. Okay, I'm getting a signal. Go ahead. Copy that. Connecting the main harness now. Left side connection secure. Right side alignment good. Front left torque to spec. Right headlight locked in. Suspension looks good here.
Noted. I'll log it.
Check the alignment next.
On it.